So I'm going to Australia, which is super exciting. I've never been. I'm going with Revolve for the first few days, and then after that we're going to my boyfriend's family's farm in Newcastle, which is 2 hours north of Sydney. I'm beyond excited. Literally just going to be surrounded by like kangaroos and amazing animals. So I'm bringing a lot of denim and pants, but also some summery stuff. This is one of my favorite tops I'm wearing for Revolve. It's by NBD. Boyish is one of my favorite brands right now. I've never used packing cubes before either, so I'm really excited to be able to fit all my stuff. Really long overalls. These are actually from Forever 21, believe it or not. Really into the whole like painter look right now with the white stitching on it.
The top. Yes, you're learning. So good.
Sam's teaching.
You're gonna be a packing pro.
I'm gonna be a packing pro. This is amazing. If it doesn't bring you joy, gotta get rid of it. So I'm taking actually a lot of t-shirts and sweats. Something that I just like to throw on if I'm chilling, lounging, working, whatever. Suburban Riot is my absolute favorite brand when it comes to that kind of stuff. It says business, and then the back it says party. I mean, I guess you could kind of say that about me. No, not really. That didn't work. For all my carry-on stuff, I'm pretty much just going to bring this bag full of clothes, and then this is going to carry all of my laptop, my camera stuff, cords, chargers, my lovely new travel set pillow, and a sleeping mask for the plane. That's lovely. Oh my god. Wow. These are from Nasty Gal. They're pretty comfortable. I actually got them at their Nasty Gal lot they had the other day. Platform docks are always a vibe. The giant Baby Spy shoes, I cannot travel without them. I don't know why. I just feel like I always need them with me. And these super cool black cowboy boots I got at the Roseville Flea Market for $30. This is one of my baby's prized possessions. I have to bring her with me. Cult Gaia is, you know, the epitome of any kind of summertime vibe as far as bags go. This is actually LPA from Revolve that I got for New York Fashion Week, but I seem to bring it with me everywhere. It's neutral. It kind of goes with everything. Most of the bathing suits that I'm bringing are from Revolve. I really love their brand Love Wave for all of my bathing suits. And I have this weird infatuation with red. So anything red, I'll take it. Okay, good. Look at that. I do need to bring a lot of whey products with me. Well, one for content purposes, and I'm just obsessed with everything from the whey. Their matte pomade is something that I just started using. I use their rose hair oil to slick my hair down, and then I do the matte pomade on the front tips of my hair, and it just keeps all the flyaways down because I have bangs and some of them are kind of short, so you can get a little crazy. My favorite perfume, I'm bringing Santal, Le Labo, Ride or Die. I feel like it's a lot of people's ride or dies, but that's okay. I'm here for the hype. I'm allergic to most synthetic fragrances, so a lot of my stuff is hypoallergenic or for sensitive skin. And I use a brand called V&V Hypoallergenics. It's coconut oil based, and it's free of like any kind of sulfates, preservatives, synthetic fragrance, all that stuff. So I always have to have these with me at all times. Charlotte Tilbury makeup vlog coming soon. But yeah, their stuff is so pretty, gorgeous, shimmers and shadows and all those fun things. So I'm gonna decorate the front of this with stickers that I have and stuff. I'm ready. So I gotta run a few errands. You guys gotta go.